Hey there, Foxy fans. It is Christmas Day. I was knocked out for a lot of it with migraines, and I'm back now after more medications. Lousy timing, but family's all out at the family dinner now, and I got tired of laying around. So, out in the garage, and we are looking at Foxy's Christmas present, which we got months and months ago, and it's been sitting in boxes. So we unwrapped them, and I am quickly undoing the work we did the other day. Tire off, I'm about to grab the hub off, and start tearing apart the suspension. I just wanted to quickly show it before I got into it too deep. 13-inch rotor. This is a C5 style hub rather than spindle. Spindle, hub, spindle, hub. Oh, definitely not any lighter, but more metal, more weight. All right, CPP C5 kit for the AFX body. So I'm going to tear this apart, but you can already see the size difference. 13-inch, 11-inch. Got that much brake surface. Yeah, that much brake surface. 1 piston caliper, 2 piston caliper. Much bigger brake pad. Brake pad is probably, I don't know, let's go from here to here. I shouldn't be doing that. It's not looking any better. Oh well. That should make a difference. I guess I'm going to slowly start pulling it apart. I'm still recovering from today's migraine action, so I'm not going to kill myself on this. Just thought I'd needle a little bit while I was feeling a little bit better. All right, I'll follow up in a bit. Okay, so we got that all pulled apart. There's our, I think it's a Roadmaster, 1990 Roadmaster front rotor. And there's our 2000 or 1997 Corvette front rotor and caliper. There's our old spindle, straight up Chevy. Okay, I have to knock the ball joints loose and get that out. Now, I'm really hoping I don't have to pull the sway and the linkage off. I think because I'm not messing with any of that, I can just pull the steering link off the back of the plate, knock the caliper, knock the ball joints loose, and snatch the whole thing out by just pulling these 2 bolts and pulling that off the back. Gave our tubular control arms a quick wipe while I was in here. Apparently something's been self-clearancing there. I think it's that connecting with that, but I don't know, 30,000 miles, that's not bad. Do another 30,000 like that. I'm just leaving the caliper hooked up for now, just to keep the hydraulics intact until the very last second. And then when this set is in, I'll be able to get the new line run and then just quickly swap the 2 and kind of minimize the amount of hydraulic leakage we got going on. I'll still have to bleed the new one, obviously, but figure a way to plug that guy off and put the whole right stuff AFX kit into a box and maybe resell it, maybe save it for a future project. Loads of life left on these pads that I just did in June, and the rotor's good for another 100 thou. But yeah, that's where we're at. I guess I'll knock this stuff loose and give you another update. All right, there we go. That went on amazingly easy. The worst part was knocking out the old cotter pins because some idiot put them in all wonky. Anyways, yeah, so this just went right on. I still got to put in cotter pins and get the steering arm reconnected and everything else. I got to pull off the brakes and the rotor to get those bolts in. But I just, for Christmas night, a couple hours on my own. Actually, this was less than an hour. It's the joy of newer parts on an old car. They just came off almost as easily, way easier than they actually went on. Anyways, well, that's it for, I guess, the Christmas Foxy's Garage special. Thanks for watching. I hope I get this up sometime in the next year. YouTube is not cooperating with my iMovies, so these recordings are piling up. But anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Keep clicking, and we'll figure out what we're going to do next. Thanks. Bye.